So we've got the latest generation Defender 110. This is on a 24 plate. We've had this in with us for our full soft close conversion, which comprises of the soft close rear door and full soft close on all four doors. We've also done the prep for this particular customer with the full soundproofing of all the doors, all four doors. This on its own makes it a lot more quieter inside the vehicle, as well as improving the existing stereo. But this customer is going to be going for our next audio stage later on. So now we've just done all the prep work for the soundproofing there. More photos will be available on our Instagram. So I'll just quickly show you everything working in terms of the soft close. So obviously regular door, some vehicles come with this, a lot of them don't now. So we can now retrofit the soft close option, as you see there. Just open it again. And that basically just completely soft close, there's no slamming involved on there. And then we've done all the main doors. So just there, full soft close. So there's no having to slam any of the doors anymore now, because I know on these sometimes you have to do it 3 or 4 times before it actually closes, but on this it's there. And I'll just show you around on the other side on the driver's door, which is there, and then obviously on the back door as well. So in terms of obviously soundproofing, this is completely solid now compared to this area, but you can hear the difference now on the front doors. So if you're interested in having any soft close upgrades done on your Defender 110, we can do them on the 130, and we can also do them on the 90. If you'd like to see this in action, we do have our own Defender 90 here with all the soft close and the soundproofing done on that. If you want to come and have a look at that at any time, then obviously just please give us a call. But yes, if you'd like any more information on this, please get in touch.